How to do layout changes on mobile devices in Squarespace. So in here, I have my actual pages open. So let's head over and edit our home page first and click onto this edit icon that will appear. So as you have noticed, we are currently on the desktop version. So if you want to edit it on mobile devices layout, you can proceed to click onto this mobile icon that we can see right here. Do take note that any edit that you made on mobile view will not be reflected in the desktop since it will actually be a different layout. So as you can see, here is our actual elements. As you can see, it's quite cohesive right now. But when you scroll down, some things will not be right. So what you can do is you can head over and change the layout based on this. Like for example, you can make some things smaller. Like for example, in here, this image, you can change its layout and make it smaller. And in here on the text, let's also add that right here. And you can move those texts around however you want. Now, do take note that if you actually make something smaller or change its layout, it will not reflect as well into your actual desktop version. So let's add it right here and position it like that. As you can see, I have in here this particular layout. And when we head over right here to our desktop, this will be a different layout in here as well. So if you want, you can actually do in here some layout changes on your mobile device on how it will look like on the mobile interface. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.